Hi, I'm Rachel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful mandala using only one color with the Color Therapy app. This is a great beginner's tutorial that you can apply to any coloring. With tints and shades of one color, the tap to fill method works really well to create a monochromatic mosaic. So let's get started. So let's begin by choosing our drawing. Under the Classic tab, click on Mandalas, and then go to the Spiral Mandalas. Let's go with the first one. To create a monochromatic mandala, you're going to choose just one color. I'm going to choose a blue palette, and the best way to make this work is to choose a variety of tints and shades of that color. So I'll go into the deep blue palette and choose several different shades of that blue. Okay, so I have about 9 different blues all on the spectrum. Let's start with the lightest one. And in order to get this really fun mosaic look, all you have to do is tap to fill, starting from light to dark with each color. So I'm just going one by one section at a time from light to dark. Now for this part, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to choose the Radial Gradient. So to have the dark on the outside and the light on the inside. And I'm going to switch sides. So instead of starting with the lightest color and working towards the darkest from the center, I'm going to do the opposite on this element right here. So I'll start with dark there and start moving up with the lighter blues as I go. And then for the larger teardrop shapes, I also want to have a nice fade from light to dark. So I'll click dark for that one, and then we're going to fade out from that using darker medium blue around it. For this section, I want to make sure that my gradient is set to radial as well. And I'll go ahead and start from light to dark. So to make it really stand out, use the darker gradients next to the lighter gradients to create a lot of contrast. So that's what I did here. And I'll continue to do that in the same way, switching back and forth. Okay, so now that I finished filling it in and adding a background, I'm going to go and add some effects. I'm going to click blue lines to go with the monochromatic theme, and we'll choose watercolor for the background. And here's the final version of the basic tap to fill technique on a mandala using just one color. You can see how using a monochromatic color scheme is easy and creates stunning results. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.